There are 10 things that every man wants in their dream woman. But what you don't realize is that if you want to attract that dream woman, you yourself need to embody those 10 traits as well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the man you have to become to be able to attain the girl of your dreams. Starting with number 1, build a great body with this workout split. Just like you want a girl with a nice body, they want a guy with a nice body too, bro. So I'm gonna show you the most effective training split to build an aesthetic physique and maximizing gains that you can do for free. For Monday, we're gonna call that push day. So you're gonna focus on exercises that you push away from your body, such as push-ups or dips. Wednesday is pull day. So you're gonna focus on every exercise that you have to pull towards your body, such as pull-ups. Friday will be leg day, emphasizing every exercise that targets your leg, such as squats. Take the weekend off, and then just repeat the cycle. That's it. That's all you need to know to build a great body, which means you will most likely attract a girl that also has a great body. But I'm not done, because a great body is not the only thing you need in a dream girl. You also want to attract a girl who is kind, who is loyal to you, and above all, doesn't post half naked on social media. You know, that girl of your dreams. And to get to her, you're gonna have to get to the end of this video. 6-minute number 2. Don't be the guy that dresses like this. We all know a guy who dresses like this, and if you're there sitting confused like you don't, I pray to God that this guy's not you, because in the same way that you want a girl that dresses nice, that you can show off to your friends and family, she's gonna want a guy that looks put together as well, that she can show off to her girlfriends. So here's how you're gonna become the most stylish guy without even trying. First, you're gonna ditch the skinny jeans and replace them with relaxed or baggy pants. Second, always wear an oversized shirt under your hoodie or sweaters to start adding layers to your outfit. And third, always incorporate at least one accessory to your outfit, whether it's a ring, a necklace, or a pair of sunglasses. 3, start doing these 4 things to make yourself rich, because the girl of your dreams is most likely working and making money for herself. So, for you, this trait is 10 times more important as a guy. So, to earn more money, you're gonna have to add 4 specific streams of income. The first stream of income is employment income. To get this one, it's simple. Go and get yourself a job. The second stream of income is self-employed income. To achieve this, I need you to learn a skill for free on YouTube, then offer that skill for free to a few people, and then gradually start building up your clientele list that's gonna start paying you for it. The third type of income is investment income. This comes from investing in things like stocks or cryptocurrencies. So you're gonna take whatever leftover money you have from your employment or self-employment income stream and apply it here. And your fourth stream of income is business income. To achieve this, you're gonna have to hire someone, train them in the skill that you've already mastered, and then start offering his services to other people. Acquire all 4 types of income, and I promise you, you'll never have to look at your bank account again from how much money you're gonna start making. 4, use these supplements to look more attractive. Welcome to my vitamin stack. But out of all this, there's 3 supplements that are guaranteed to make you more attractive. Iron for your skin, biotin for your hair, and vitamin D for your confidence. But these only work if you take the right amount at the right time. So here's how you're gonna do it. The first supplement you have to take is iron. Have you ever noticed that some days you wake up and your skin is looking tired and dull, while others you wake up, it's extremely firm, nice color, it just looks healthy? Well, it's probably that you're iron deficient. Iron is crucial for creating red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body and makes your skin look flush and hydrated. To fix that, you need to take around 10 micrograms of iron with water, and you want to try to take it 1 hour before you eat. Again, you can buy it individually yourself, which is what I used to do, or you can try Get Attractive, the new supplement we just dropped this month that contains 14.5 micrograms of iron. This is the one I take every day because it has a ton of other benefits. Now, the second supplement every dude needs to take is biotin. Now, in a recent study, they found a strong link between biotin deficiency and hair loss. Hair loss is the worst thing you can do for your attractiveness and a guy can experience, which is why you need to be consuming 5,000 micrograms of biotin every day. Similar to iron, to get better results, drink it with water on an empty stomach. And again, you can buy just the biotin on itself, or you can pick up Get Attractive, which also contains 5,000 micrograms of biotin. Boys, you know I love my science. I always look into studies. So when I formulated what I think to be the most powerful, attractive supplement in the market, I made sure I had everything your body needs in the exact dosages. I'm trying to get you to look good. Now, the third vitamin you need to take is vitamin D. Vitamin D is crucial for serotonin production, which is the hormone that's responsible for how confident you feel. And vitamin D is one of the most deficient vitamins in the world. Most of you are probably deficient in vitamin D, and you need to be consuming a minimum of 20 micrograms of vitamin D daily. These I like to take in the morning on an empty stomach so I feel good all day. Now, of course, you already know, you can buy these separately if you wanted to, but now you have to deal with 3 different vitamins, and that's it. Instead of having a stack like this, you could just get Attractive from our new brand Get Supplements that launched this month and receive all those benefits plus a ton more that are gonna clear your skin, give you better health, and in 2 months, you're gonna see a noticeable difference in your attractiveness. But here's the best part. Because it's launch month, we're launching the month of October. This is the first time for this brand. I'm doing a crazy offer. If you subscribe to receive your Get Attractive monthly, you're not only gonna get 20% off and keep it at that low price for the rest of your life. Your grandfather did that price. I'm not gonna stop there. Because you're trusting your boy and you're believing in our brand, you're one of the first customers, I wanna thank you back. So for those of you that subscribe this month only, every time I drop a new product, which I'm dropping a new product every 2 months, a new supplement. Every time I drop a new supplement, you get to receive that supplement for free in your month's subscription. You don't have to pay for it. You get it for free just because you were one of the first customers, and I'm trying to thank you. Now, this offer ends October 31st, and you'll never see this offer again. This is just for launch week, so if I were you, I would act fast and click the link down below. Number 5, use social media to level up your social status. Because there are 2 things I would never post on social media. Just like you wouldn't want to see your dream girl posting pictures half naked on social media. There are 2 specific things girls don't want to see guys posting on social media. First, only post stories when you're truly doing something interesting and limit it to like 1 or 2. No girl finds it attractive when he posts "I'm bored" stories and floods her feed with a bunch of useless pictures. Second, you need to avoid posting stories or pictures of you doing any of these hobbies you're seeing on screen. As research has found, these are the most unattractive hobbies according to women. Up until now, you're building a great body, enhancing your style, leveling up your financial game, looking more attractive, and smartly using social media. Your chances of getting a girl that has a good body, dresses well, has a pretty face, isn't a gold digger, and doesn't post on social media has just skyrocketed tenfold. I'm building your dream girl right here. But to truly get to her, there are a few more traits you probably want in her that I'm gonna need you to develop first. Such as number 6, keeping your body count under this number. First, most wonder, what does a girl's body type say about her? Easy. If it's under 5, she is loyal and doesn't seek validation from men. You can marry her. Between 5 and 20, she's insecure and she definitely wants that male validation. You can date this girl. If it's over 20, bro, this girl has low standards. She's desperate for validation. You should stay away, red flag. Now, this same logic can be applied for men. If it's under 5, this guy has extremely high levels of self-discipline and control. If it's between 5 and 20, this guy probably enjoys partying. He likes going out. If it's over 20, this dude gets all of his validation from sleeping with women and definitely has low standards. So if you want to attract the girl of your dreams that has a low body count, understand that she's gonna be looking for the exact same thing from you. Number 7, use this rule to eliminate all procrastination. This powerful technique will trick your brain to doing anything you want. And this is crucial because to attract your dream girl, you need to be that exact kind of man that pursues what he wants, regardless of how he feels. Now, this technique is called the 5-second rule, and here's how you're gonna use it. The next time you're supposed to work or study, but you find yourself procrastinating, immediately stop what you're doing and slowly count to 5. This will activate your prefrontal cortex and mobilize your body to take action. Want to go to the gym, but you can't find motivation? Count down to 5. You need to clean your room, but you can't stop scrolling? Count down to 5. The best part is, this girl will never know you're using it. To her, you'll just seem like this well-disciplined machine. Number 8, give your woman exactly what she needs. Don't expect a girl to be everything you want her to be. If you're not everything she needs you to be. If you want a girl to be loyal and see you as the provider, then you have to actually be a provider. So, here are 5 things that you can start doing now, even if you're young, to show that you can be that provider. First, make sure you always have a job, even if it's a part-time job. Second, get your license as soon as possible. Third, learn the difference between an asset and a liability. Fourth, start putting money away in a retirement fund. And fifth, get a dog or walk your friend's dog. Do these 5 things and she's gonna start feeling comfortable enough to be everything you want her to be because she'll think that you have the potential to be a provider. Number 9, learn to make people addicted to you. If you do these 4 simple things, women will become addicted to you. Because when you date somebody, think about it, you want your family and friends to like her. Well, she wants the same thing from you. So here are some subtle ways to make anybody like you more and become addicted. First, anytime you greet them, use their name and use it when you say goodbye as well. Second, focus on asking questions and listening rather than dominating a conversation. Third, try to identify a common interest with the person you're meeting. You can even ask her friends or her family before you even meet her to see if you can find something. And fourth, always smile and nod while you're listening. If you master these 4 techniques, you'll make anybody addicted to you. Number 10, improve your conversation skills with conversational threading. You see, the girl that you date is gonna become your best friend. So it's crucial that you know how to hold a conversation, especially in the beginning. So here's how you improve your conversations with a girl. With conversational threading. Imagine she asks you, what do you do for work? Without conversational threading, you might answer, I work in finance. With conversational threading, it could be something like, oh, I work in finance over on 6th Street. I love the job, but honestly, it could be really demanding. So I try to relax on weekends and go for like long walks or runs. The difference is that second response gives the other person multiple points from where they can start a new conversation. In this case, it was 4 different threads, while the first response only offers 1. To improve your conversation skills, start by improving with more in-depth, personalized answers that have multiple threads. And now, with these 10 tips, you will build yourself to become a man that can attract the girl of his dreams.